Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma's new update. We'll dive into the exciting enhancements that make your design workflow more efficient and collaborative. You'll learn about the improved real-time editing, allowing multiple users to work seamlessly together. We'll also cover the new features for managing your design systems, ensuring consistency across all your projects. Get ready to elevate your design process with these powerful updates, making your work faster and more intuitive than ever before. Let's explore the enhanced collaboration features that streamline teamwork. The updated commenting system allows for more precise feedback, pinpointing exact areas on your canvas. Sharing prototypes is now more flexible, offering granular permission controls to ensure only authorized individuals view your work. Plus, the improved version history makes it simple to track changes and revert to any previous design state with just a few clicks, fostering a more secure and organized workflow for everyone involved. Next, we'll delve into the advanced design tools that empower your creativity. Discover the refined vector editing capabilities, enabling you to craft intricate graphics with greater precision and ease. The updated auto layout settings offer more control, helping you build responsive designs that adapt beautifully across various screen sizes. Furthermore, integrating your favorite third-party plugins is now smoother than ever, expanding Figma's functionality to meet your unique design needs and accelerate your creative output significantly. Finally, let's talk about optimizing your performance and productivity. Experience significantly faster loading times for even your largest and most complex design files, reducing wait times. You can now customize keyboard shortcuts more extensively, tailoring the interface to your personal workflow for maximum efficiency. The new asset organization features provide quicker access to your design elements, ensuring a smoother and more focused creative session. These improvements are designed to make your daily design tasks more fluid and more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.